It's way too easy for copywriters to get caught up in countering objections and neutralizing anxieties. Sure, you've got to do those things sometimes, but a great copywriter comes to the table thinking first and always of the most excited, enthusiastic prospect out there. The one reader, if you're familiar with that term, is always excited about your product and you're excited about them. When you know that, your copy takes a really nice shift and it becomes great fun to write for this person. I think about one of our clients that sells a $6,000 machine to hobby crafters and very small business owners. Now, this is a $6,000 machine we're selling to people who are going to, in a lot of cases, make earrings with it or wedding favors with it or other crafts with it. Now, the objections for a junior copywriter would spring to mind so easily, but which objections does our most excited prospect actually have, and when do those objections spring into the conversation for them? Now, the challenge for a great copywriter is to start from a place of wild enthusiasm for the person who is excited to buy the product you are selling. You don't even have to be excited about the product, although that never hurts. Be excited about the excited prospect. You will still be on brand, even if your voice isn't like an enthusiastic voice. For example, Liquid Death is not an enthusiastic voice. It wouldn't be described as exciting. It's dark, moody, funny. To write for that brand well, you'd think of that person who most loves that dark, moody, funny brand and write for them. Not the person who's like, water in a can, that's dumb. Thinking of that person will totally destroy you and your copy. The ripest fruit, the lowest hanging fruit, are unlikely to be the grouchiest prospects on your list, in your feed, or on your website. In almost every case, you can increase conversions for yourself, your company, or your clients by focusing on those excited prospects and just ignoring everyone else.